Hi, boys and girls. Today we finish up one more look at the monarch butterfly, and it involves some poetry. So let me go into presentation mode. So today you're going to watch this video slideshow on the monarch butterfly poetry. We do have a guest reader again today, and then you'll complete the questions on slide 4. So before I get started, I want to cover a few things that are over on the left-hand side of your screen right now. Poetry. Usually we study poetry in the month of April because that is National Poetry Month. But periodically throughout the year, you'll see poems that are squeezed in with other activities that we do. So today you're going to read and go through 2 of them. One is called the monarch butterfly and the other one is called the caterpillar. So a lot of times there are several different forms of poetry, but today's is free verse poetry. They don't have a regular pattern, a rhyme, a meter, or stanzas. They're just free verse. There's somebody putting their words down to share their thoughts and feelings, and they don't necessarily have a complete structure to them, and that's why they're called free verse. Okay, lyrical poems are usually written like songs, like the lyrics of a song. They have some rhyme and rhythm to them, and you'll see a lot of repeating sometimes too in them, just like you would repeat the chorus of a song. They kind of have a feeling or a beat to them too. And other story elements that they're going to cover today is, the first one is called personification. It is when an animal or an object is given human characteristics. Like, for instance, maybe the story has something about a dog talking. And obviously we know a dog can't talk, but that's a human characteristic that they would get. It also can be an object. For instance, I could say, oh, my computer was talking to me, it was telling me something. And obviously we know the computer itself doesn't talk, but it can talk to you in the way of recordings and whatnot. And the other thing it's covering today is a nuance. It's repeating the same verb sounds in words. So for instance, prize and skies, they rhyme, they have the same sort of sound to them. And you're going to hear a little bit about that today from the author also, or from the reader. Okay.
Wait, I can wait for the fullness of wings, for the lift, for the flight. Wait, I can wait. A moment less, a moment more. I have waited much longer before, for the taste of the flower, for the feel, for the sight. Wait, I can wait, for the prize of the skies, for the gift of the air. Almost finished, almost there, almost ready to rise. Marilyn Singer. Comment. The butterfly talks like a person. It also thinks like a person. This is personification. The caterpillar. Brown and furry, caterpillar in a hurry. Take your walk to the shady leaf or stalk, or whatnot, which may be the chosen spot. No toad spy you, hovering bird of prey pass by you, spin and die, to live again, a butterfly. Christina Rossetti. Comment. The words chosen, no, and toad repeat the long O sound to create assonance.
Okay. So there you go, boys and girls. That's just a look at it. Now, what you're going to do today, it's very short, just kind of meant to be fun. And the slide today kind of replicates some of the questions that are also on that previous or the assignment today kind of replicates some questions that are on that previous slide. Again, you're going to answer them in complete sentences and give details. The first one is, how does the poet use personification in the monarch butterfly that we just read? And in which stage of a butterfly's life is described in the poem, The Monarch Butterfly? Okay, that's some clues there. And then the last one, how did our story, Homegrown Butterflies, help you figure out the answer of the previous question about the stage of the butterfly's life in Monarch Butterfly? All right, do your best. I know you can do this. Bye for now.